Welcome back to another day of my 30-day spring cleaning series. Today we are focusing on my hallway. I've also decided to include the foyer by my front door and my stairway as part of today's video because that is just what made sense to me. Second of all, to catch you up, I have been posting a video every single day in April to not only get my spring cleaning done, but hopefully give you some motivation to get your spring cleaning done too. Creating an accurate, realistic cleaning schedule for 30 days straight can be a little bit challenging, so I had AI help me out with this. I put in all of the information about my house, the size of my house, how many rooms we have, what rooms we have, and AI generated a cleaning schedule for me that was super manageable and not overwhelming at all. This was very important to me as a work-at-home homeschooling mom of 4 young children, 7 and under. I feel like sometimes spring cleaning can be a little bit overwhelming with all of the deep cleaning that needs to be done. Sometimes it's hard to get started or even to know where to start. By generating the schedule, it gave me a perfect picture of what my spring cleaning schedule should look like on each day in April. So like I said, on today's schedule is hallway day, and I've grouped together my foyer and stairs as well because that made sense to me. Those two areas didn't have their own day, so this worked perfectly. The hallway is not messy, so we won't be doing any kind of decluttering, just deep cleaning. So cleaning the baseboards, the doors, the windows by the front doors, and the floors. This 30-day spring cleaning challenge is not supposed to be difficult. It's supposed to be something that can easily be done within about an hour, maybe 2 hours, depending on what is scheduled for that day, but it is meant to stay manageable so as to not add too much more to your plate each day. If you're following along day by day and loving this series, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already.
I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way. Nothing can ruin my day, no matter what anyone does or say. I smile at fools. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. I know what it's like to be broke. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. I'm strolling down the street with all of my favorite songs on repeat. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, and I don't care if you spill coffee on me or if the sky is gray or blue. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time.
I mentioned in a previous video during this series that I'm not mopping my floors. I have done some areas that just need it right now. For example, areas like the bathroom or areas that I don't get to unless I'm spring cleaning, like underneath my couch or underneath my dog's crate. Of course, I'm going to mop there while I have those items moved. But I don't consider mopping and vacuuming spring cleaning just because that is something I do on a regular basis.
I know what it's like to be broke, yeah. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. Like to be broken, and I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm just gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down, 'cause I am on my way. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way. I won't slow down. I am on my way. I won't slow down.
Got a lot of time. Don't wanna let it slide. About to get in. To clean my railing, I'm just using a very lightly damp microfiber cloth. I probably should be using some kind of hydrating wood cleaner, but this worked great. Look at all the stars. Tell me where you are. 오늘이 지나면 후회를 따윈 없어야 하잖아.
Hold up, got a good feeling. Can't sleep, my heart is beating faster than usual. Thrill in the city lights. Break free, gotta make a run. 'Cause the night is way too young. It's only begun, just let all your problems go.
This just feels so right. 빛을 따라가. Got a lot of time. Don't wanna let it slide. 반짝이는 city lights 스쳐갈 수는 없잖아. Look at all the stars. Tell me where you are. 오늘이 지나면 후회를 따윈 없어야 하잖아. London, Paris, New York, and Tokyo, South City, yeah. I'll take you to the place where you feel alive. 네가 좋을까? 춤추는 너의 발 멈추지 않는 말. 이 밤이 가기 전에 It just feels so right. 빛을 따라가. It just feels so right. Everyone was sleeping when I was cleaning the doors, so I was trying so hard not to bang them around too much and wake anybody up. Got a lot of time. Don't wanna let it slide. 반짝이는 city lights 스쳐갈 수는 없잖아. Look at all the stars. Tell me where you are. 오늘이 지나면 후회를 따윈 없어야 하잖아. Got a lot of time. Don't wanna let it slide. 반짝이는 city lights 스쳐갈 수는 없잖아. Look at all the stars. Tell me where you are. 오늘이 지나면 후회를 따윈 없어야 하잖아. Love me or hate me, God knows you made it when he let his eyes on me. 여기 네 눈이 날 바라보는 눈빛이 이미 다 말해줘. No, I ain't gonna let anyone keep me down. No, you just gotta keep up 'cause I ain't gonna. Next, I'm putting my upholstery attachment on my Dyson vacuum and vacuuming my stairs. This always works wonderful, and I always get questions about what stair vacuum I'm using. It's just the Dyson V11 Animal with the upholstery attachment. I have had this vacuum almost 5 years now, and it has never failed me. Everyone just wanna get to know ya. 이미 시작된 걸. How could you think I'm sweet? I'm sweet, so sweet. You got stung by honeybee. You just wait and see. How could you think I'm sweet? I'm sweet, so sweet. 더 잊을 순 없을 거야. 아마도 그럴 거야. This is just from my stairs. I'm going to empty it, and we actually have a separate vacuum for upstairs. It's the Dyson Outsize, so it has a much larger canister. Because the upstairs is completely carpeted, I find this to be so helpful. Plus, it is so nice to not have to carry a vacuum up and down the stairs. The fact that each floor has its own vacuum is so convenient. Thank you so much for being here and watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and got some more spring cleaning motivation. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching. I will see you tomorrow.